Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back to Day 1 of our series. Speak English fluently in 15 days. Daily English shadowing practice. I'm so happy you're here today. Today's lesson is all about a very important topic: how to introduce yourself in English when you meet new people, when you start a conversation, or when you're in a class, a job interview, or even traveling. Introducing yourself confidently is the first step to great communication. So, in this lesson, we'll practice together, slowly, clearly, and naturally. I'll say every sentence first, then I'll say, repeat after me. You'll listen carefully and shadow my voice. That means you'll try to speak at the same time as me or just after me. Are you ready? Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin our warm-up. Let's start with some basic greetings and starter phrases. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Are you ready? Here we go. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Nice to meet you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is... Great job. Excellent. You're doing amazing so far. These short greetings are your first step to a natural English introduction. Now, let's try putting a few of them together in mini conversations. Listen first, then repeat after me. Hello. What's your name? My name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Now your turn. Hi. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm great. Beautiful work. You're already speaking in full sentences. That's wonderful progress. In the next part, we'll move into shadowing practice, where we'll practice 15 to 20 sentences for real-life self-introductions. So, get ready to speak more confidently and naturally. Let's continue in the next section. Now it's time for shadowing practice. This is where you'll speak with me or just after me. Remember, don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on clear pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Let's go step by step. Hello, my name is Emma. I'm from Spain. I live in Madrid. I'm 25 years old. I'm a student. I study English every day. I work as a teacher. I love learning new languages. I enjoy reading books and watching movies. In my free time, I like to travel. Very good. Now, let's practice some extra details you can add when you introduce yourself. Things like your hobbies, your family, or your goals. Keep repeating after me. I live with my family. I have one brother and one sister. My favorite color is blue. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite sport is football. I like listening to music. I started learning English because I want to travel. I want to speak English fluently. Learning English makes me happy. I'm proud of myself for practicing today. Fantastic. You've just practiced 20 full sentences that you can use anywhere. In class, at work, online, or while traveling. Now take a moment, breathe. And get ready for the next part, where we'll say these same sentences again, but a little faster to sound more natural and fluent. Ready? Let's move to the next section. Excellent work so far, everyone. You've practiced each sentence slowly and clearly. Now it's time to make your English sound more natural and fluent. In this part, I'll speak a little faster, more smoothly, and with natural rhythm. Your job is to shadow me. Try to speak along with me or just after me. Ready? Let's begin. Hello, my name is Emma. I'm from Spain. I live in Madrid. I'm 25 years old. I'm a student. I study English every day. I work as a teacher. I love learning new languages. I enjoy reading books and watching movies. In my free time, I like to travel. Good rhythm. Keep your voice flowing naturally. Don't stop too much between words. Let's continue with the next group. I live with my family. I have one brother and one sister. My favorite color is blue. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite sport is football. I like listening to music. I started learning English because I want to travel. I want to speak English fluently. Learning English makes me happy. I'm proud of myself for practicing today. Excellent. Now let's go through all of them one more time. This time as a smooth mini speech. Listen first, then repeat with me. Try to feel the flow and confidence in your voice. Hello? My name is Emma. I'm from Spain and I live in Madrid. I'm 25 years old and I'm a student. I study English every day and I work as a teacher. I love learning new languages. I enjoy reading books, watching movies, and traveling in my free time. I live with my family. I have one brother and one sister. My favorite color is blue, and my favorite food is pizza. I like listening to music, and my favorite sport is football. I started learning English because I want to travel and speak fluently. Learning English makes me happy, and I'm proud of myself for practicing today. Beautiful. That sounded smooth, natural, and confident. Now you're not just learning words. You're learning rhythm, intonation, and connection. The real sounds of English. In the next section, we'll take this even further. In the next part, we'll look at some useful vocabulary and pronunciation tips from today's lesson. Words you'll use again and again when introducing yourself. Get ready for some quick and easy pronunciation practice. Now let's look at some important words and phrases from today's lesson. We'll learn what they mean, how to use them, and how to pronounce them clearly. Remember to listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice the sounds. Introduce. Meaning, to tell someone your name and some basic information about yourself. Example. I want to introduce myself. Nice to meet you. Meaning, a polite phrase to say when you meet someone for the first time. Example. Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you. From. Meaning, used to show where you come from. Example. I'm from Spain. Live. Meaning, the place where you stay or have your home. Example. I live in Madrid. Student. Meaning, a person who studies or goes to school or university. Example, I'm a student. Enjoy, meaning to like something or to take pleasure in it. Example, I enjoy reading books. Travel, meaning to go from one place to another, usually for fun or adventure. Example, I like to travel. Excellent work. These are everyday English words that you'll use again and again when you meet new people, start a conversation, or describe yourself. Try to practice them every day. Listen, repeat, and shadow with your favorite English videos or this lesson. Now, in our final part, we'll finish today's practice with motivation, encouragement, and a sneak peek of tomorrow's topic. Amazing work, everyone. You've just completed day 1 of our series. Speak English fluently in 15 days. Today, you learned how to introduce yourself in English slowly, clearly, and confidently. You practiced greetings, full sentences, emotions, and even pronunciation. You should feel so proud of yourself right now, because every time you shadow and repeat, your English gets stronger, your pronunciation, your rhythm, and your confidence all grow together. Remember, don't just watch this video once. Come back and repeat it every day for the next few days. The more you repeat, the faster you'll sound natural in English. And here's a quick challenge for you. After this video, look in the mirror and say your full introduction, just like we practiced. Say your name, where you're from, what you do, and one thing you love. You'll be amazed by how confident you sound. Tomorrow, in day 2, we'll learn to talk about my daily routine. You'll learn how to describe your morning, afternoon, and evening activities, all in clear, simple English. So, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and come back for more practice. Before we finish, here's your English motivation for today. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain. You've already started, and that's the most important step. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep speaking English every day. See you tomorrow in day 2, my daily routine.